Good day everyone. In this episode, we are going to have Mathematics Grade 8. We will talk about operations on rational expressions, particularly multiplying rational expressions. So the product of two fractions is found by multiplying the numerators and multiplying the denominators. Rational expressions are multiplied in the same way. P over Q times R over S is equal to PR over QS, where P, Q, R, and S are polynomials, and Q is not equal to 0, S is also not equal to 0. Let us now move on to the steps in multiplying rational expressions. First, write each numerator and denominator in factored form. Second, divide out any numerator with any matching denominator factor. Third, multiply the numerators and also the denominators. And the last one is to simplify your answer if possible. Moving on to our first example, do not forget the steps in multiplying rational expressions. First example, 2 over 7 times 5 over 10. First step, write each numerator and denominator in factored form. That is equal to 2 over 7 times 5 over 2 times 5. Take note that 2, 7, and 5 are already prime numbers. Moving on to the second step, which is to divide out any numerator with any matching denominator factor. So you must look for matching factors in the numerator and in the denominator. So obviously we have 2 and we also have 5. Third step, multiply the numerators and also the denominators. So 2 is already equal to 1 because we cancelled. Same with 5. So 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 7 times 1 is equal to 7. Multiplying 2 over 7 and 5 over 10 is equal to 1 over 7. Second example, 8p squared q over 3 times 9 over pq squared. First step, write each numerator and denominator in factored form. So the factors of 8, we have 2 times 2 times 2. Factors of p squared, p times p. Q, we have q. Over 3, which is a prime number. Times 9, 3 times 3 over pq squared, we have p. Q squared is equal to q times q. Second step, divide out any numerator with any matching denominator factor. Let us look for matching denominator factor in the numerator. So we have p in the numerator and another p in the denominator. We also have q and 3. Third step, multiply the numerators and also the denominators. So 2 times 2 times p, which is the remaining, over 1 times 3q. Simplifying our answer, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 is equal to 24 times p over q. Therefore, 8p squared q over 3 times 9 over pq squared is equal to 24pq. Moving on to our third example, we have 3 times the quantity of p minus q over p times q over 2 times the quantity of p minus q. First step is to write each numerator and denominator in factored form. In this case, that is already the factored form of the rational expression. Second, divide out any numerator with any matching denominator factor. So obviously, we have the quantity of p minus q in the numerator and we also have in the denominator. Next, multiplying the numerators and also the denominators. We have 3 times q is equal to 3q over p times 2 is equal to 2p. Simplifying our answer, that is 3q over 2p. For the example, we have 2x squared plus 4x over x squared minus 4x minus 12 times x squared minus 9x plus 8 over 2x. Writing each numerator and denominator in factored form, that is equal to 2x times the quantity of x plus 2. The common factor of this algebraic expression is 2. So we have 2x times x plus 2 over the factored form of x squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to the quantity of x minus 6 times x plus 2 times factors of x squared minus 9x plus 18 is equal to the quantity of x minus 3 times the quantity of x minus 6 over 2x. Dividing out any numerator with any matching denominator factor is our second step. So we have 2x in the numerator and 2x in the denominator. We also have x plus 2 and x minus 6. Multiplying the numerators and the denominators. So this is equal to 1. 1 times the quantity of x minus 3 is equal to x minus 3 times 1 and 1 equal to 1. Simplifying our answer, that is x minus 3. Therefore, multiplying 2x squared plus 4x over x squared minus 4x minus 12 and x squared minus 9x plus 18 over 2x is equal to x minus 3. Let us recall the steps in multiplying rational expressions. First step, write each numerator and denominator in factored form. Second, divide out any numerator with any matching denominator factor. Third, multiply the numerators and also the denominators. And the last one is to simplify your answer if possible. I hope you learned something from this episode. Thank you for watching.